Imagine for a moment you are a little kid again. Your biggest concern is which of your friends you are going to play with during recess at school. You love looking at bugs and doing experiments and reading about science every chance you get. Good laboratory practices, GLP, and good manufacturing practices, GMP, are two sets of regulations that are designed to ensure the quality and integrity of products and data. GLP is a set of regulations that apply to the conduct of non-clinical laboratory studies. These studies are typically used to assess the safety of new medicinal products and medical devices. Prior to the early 1970s, many analytical laboratories applied some of the principles that were later incorporated into current good laboratory practices. In addition to IBT, another prominent company was brought into the spotlight for poor practices. Searle Labs was a pharmaceutical company founded in 1888. In the 1970s, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, began investigating Searle Labs for allegations of falsifying data from non-clinical laboratory studies. The Searle Labs and Industrial Biotest case helped to raise awareness of the importance of GLP regulations. The Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, commonly known as OECD, has established a series of principles for assuring the quality, reliability, and trustworthiness of non-clinical laboratory testing. These principles have now become known as current good laboratory practice. These allow the results of laboratory studies undertaken in compliance with the principles of GLP in one member country to be accepted in all other OECD countries. The Mutual Acceptance of Data, commonly referred to as MAD, is an international agreement that allows participating countries to share the results of non-clinical test study data. This saves governments and industry resources by reducing the need to repeat tests, and it helps to ensure that safety assessments are based on the best available science. According to the OECD, participating countries that perform safety testing have national GLP compliance monitoring programs, CMP. Select and drag the definition to the correct acronym. Aren't good laboratory practices an obvious step in the research of pharmaceuticals and medical devices? As you've learned, GLP protects everyone, from lab staff and study directors to animals, the environment, and the general public. Let's explore some real-life situations that led to FDA warning letters. Select each letter to see more. A February 2020 warning letter following an FDA inspection of a biotechnology facility revealed serious violations of Title 21, Code of Federal Regulations, CFR, Part 58. Results.